I want to play games with my friends and I want to make a Spigot server because it has a lot of mods. But when I go to the official website and I try to download the Spigot server, and I couldn't even find the latest one. There is no download link for the latest Spigot server. Well, I was just looking around their website and I found this. This software is capable of compiling any latest version of Spigot servers. This build tool actually helps us to download the vanilla server from the actual Minecraft website, and sort of it's compiling it and doing some kind of conversion inside, and it's converting the vanilla Minecraft to Spigot. So I selected which version that I want to convert and I click the compile button, but this is what happened. I got an error. Well, I'm getting this error. That means I have running lot of other programs right now, so many programs running right now. So some of the programs might be conflicting with this program. So what I did is just restarted my computer and then just run the build tool as an administrator. And I'm going to choose the version again. The current latest version is 1.21.4. So I selected that and I'm going to compile it again. And this time there is no error and we got this green check mark, which means it's actually compiled. So now we can just run this and let's check the results. Well, I already have a script to run this. For Windows, it's going to be like this. I'm using Windows, that's why the file extension ends with .bat. But for Ubuntu, Mac, it may have different file extension and little bit of small differences in the script file. For example, for the Ubuntu Linux, it ends with .sh. So just make the script according to your operating system. And of course, you don't necessarily have to make a script because you can actually directly run the jar file using the command as well. But the script will be more convenient for you in the long run. And as I run, it asks for the EULA. So I'm going to make that to true. And I'm going to run it again. As you guys can see, it worked. That means they are just saying it like, we don't give you the download link, you just compile it and use it for yourself. Well, that makes sense, I guess. So this is how we can get the Spigot latest version whenever it releases. I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye. Peace.